Hey everyone, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com, coming to you from Addison, Illinois today. And here it is, a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am 6.6 factory Z-code car. Beautiful Starlight black paint on the car. A little bit older restoration, but still a great driver with the optional 4-speed manual transmission, non-T-top car. Does have the correct snowflake wheels, front power disc, power steering as well. A little bit under the hood, you're gonna notice added horsepower. So factory Z code in the VIN tells me that this was a factory 400 original car, and now someone stuffed a 455 cubic inch motor in here. It's backed up by the original 4-speed manual transmission. I'm gonna walk around the car. Then after that, I'm gonna get a little closer to the paint. I did take photos of some of the nicks and knacks on the car. It's not perfect. And then we'll get on the interior. We'll check that out. We'll check out the engine compartments. If you wanna see underneath, I have photos underneath and the trunk. The trunk has a spare tire in it. So again, let's walk around the car. Beautiful paint. I mean, it's got a mirror finish to it. It's not perfect, okay, but it's nice. This is a quality driver Trans Am. If you want something high end, bam, right there. But that's 75 G's. Anyway, let's get back to this. Correct dual exhaust, as you can see there, with the flares coming down as it should. Nice flares around the wheel wells. Nice door handles, trim is good. Wheels are good. Front grille is nice. I am putting the LED lights on the front of this car and they just came in. How wicked will that look on that car? Also on the rear, I'm doing the sequential LEDs in the back too. Let's check out a little bit closer. Point out a couple things on the car. Okay, there's a couple little things that could be touched up. If you want, I could touch them up in black paint. No problems there. There's a little nick right up there. I'm gonna tell you guys everything about it. It's not a perfect car, but it's a nice one. Nothing there. Everything looks good around there. No bubbling, no rust. All the pinstriping is there as it should. Right underneath here is where you put your fuel and you open up your trunk. Okay. No issues there. No blemishes that I can see. Great reflection. This car just got a little dust on it. Dual sport mirrors. There's a couple cracks there. Let's see if I can point those out. It's a little dusty. As you can see them there, okay. Front power disc, like I mentioned. A little nick right there. Oh, and on the bird, there's a little nick. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands to pop the hood, but to pop the hood, it's right down here. It's a T-handle, you pull. There's the 455, power steering, power front disc, MSD ignition. Good motor, and it sounds good too. Let's check out the interior. Everything does look good there. It's all been redone. I got receipts close to $8,000 on the restoration recently just done. Nice outer door jambs. Carpet here is a little short. Okay, as you can see there. Possibly could get tucked in a little bit. Okay, door sill plates look good. Door panels on both sides, door lips look good. You gotta add the little grommets here, which we can. You're gonna have to remind me if you decide to buy the car. I will order those. Nice special edition bezel in the gold finish. There's your 4-speed, nice center console. Seats are all brand new. Headliner is all new. There's your dome lights. Packet tray with the 6x9s. Nice dash. No cracks, no issues whatsoever. Let's check out the other side. Nice as well. Glass looks good. Everything rolls up and down as it should. And then the seat belt here, it's supposed to be attached to that like that. So we'll have to order that little piece, which we will do. Okay, so there you have it, folks. There's my 78 Trans Am 455 Z code 4-speed. Let's get it on. Let's get our Smokey and the Bandit on. All right. So if you need financing, if your credit score's 649 to 699, I can get you done with about 10% down. If you're into the 700s and to the 800s, well, 700s possibly no money down, and 800s absolutely no money down with a 15-minute approval with great interest rates and terms. If you need delivery, I would advise you to have us deliver this to you in an enclosed carrier. We can handle all the logistics, and there is an extra fee for that. So get a pen. I'll give you my phone number shortly. Those who are interested in buying my car, call me. My number is 847-848-1850. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, click the bottom right hand, on your bottom right hand, the red subscribe button, so you can get all of our new arrivals. And if you're on Facebook, search MGM Classic Cars, like the page, share the page to your friends, show them what you've seen, that you are possibly interested in buying a Trans Am and going to the car shows and enjoying life because it's short. Invest your money. These are going up and up and up every year, 5 to 8 to 10% in value. Secure your money with fun. My name's Thomas. Thanks for calling. Thanks for, well, hopefully you'll call, but thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com. Oh, I'm back. Video's not over. I forgot to start the car. Light switch. Horn works. Everything works there. Wipers function. Heat and defrost works. Radio works. Everything works, guys. This car is awesome. Yeah, baby. All right, now you've seen everything. All right, let's get this baby in your driveway. Talk to you soon. Thomas, MGMClassicCars.com.